I'm Assistant Chief Christy Smith of the Houston Police Department. This critical incident briefing is intended to provide you with information about an officer-involved shooting that occurred in Houston on May 17, 2025. HPD conducts thorough investigations into officer-involved shootings. These typically require investigators to interview multiple witnesses, view numerous hours of video footage, and analyze a significant amount of forensic evidence. It is important to note that we are in the very early stages of the investigation, and we continue to review additional evidence as it is collected and analyzed. The videos you are about to see can be graphic and may be difficult to watch. These videos may also contain strong language. Viewer discretion is advised. At approximately 3:45 p.m., officers with North Belt Patrol responded to a minor three-vehicle crash that occurred in the 10300 block of the North Freeway. One of the three vehicles involved had fled the scene. Officers located the missing vehicle in a parking lot at 10718 North Freeway and made contact with the driver, Mr. Michael Jejic. Officers tried to detain Mr. Jejic to further investigate the incident. He did not comply, reaching into his waistband and pulling out a handgun. Both officers fired their duty weapons, striking Mr. Jejic. Officers rendered aid until HFD paramedics arrived. Mr. Jejic was pronounced deceased at the scene. No officers were injured.
Where were you involved in an accident at? No. What? No. That's not the... Where were you involved? You got your vehicle listed as the vehicle involved in an accident. They got video footage and everything, buddy. I'm not here to debate about it. Okay. You said what?
So which one?
Okay.
TBS something.
Okay. So what was your intention? You didn't want to provide any information. You know, it's state law to do that, right?
What did I hit?
What did you hit?
Final update on 1916 Clark.
I'm not going to debate about it with you, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to put you in handcuffs, we're going to put you in the back seat, we're going to move your car over there with the other two cars that are involved in the crash, okay? Hey, whoa, up, down! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! 22-21.
Good. Good, bro.
There's no shots fired.
Hey, roll me HFD. I got a male, not conscious, not breathing, multiple gunshot wounds to his abdomen.
Where are you at?
We're gonna park at the China border parking lot. It's a vacant parking lot. It's gonna be right before the Mambo Seafood. Let me see your hands, man. Do not reach for that gun.
Is this related to the crash or is it something else?
21, yes, it's the suspect in the crash. We're at China border. Shots fired, one suspect down. All officers okay.
Sir, thank you. Need a sergeant or roll by?
Let me see your hands, man.
I'm gonna go around, right?
What district?
No. No crossfire, no crossfire.
District.
22 PO7. Show me around.
Do me a favor, go ahead and grab some gloves. Grab some gloves from the center console. I got you.
Get out the aerial.
See it? Yeah, I got you. The gun's still in his waistband.
Up 10-7 on North Freeway. Express down at North Freeway Service Road.
We got vehicle?
Yeah, the gun's gonna be still in his waistband. Still in his waistband.
Alright. 22 PO7E. Let's get additional units instead of a perimeter with yellow tapes on scene.
Yes, sir. Just use any messages.
I'm gonna get the weapon out the way first.
Okay.
Weapon
secure
on
the weapon. No, just go secure. It's okay.
Alright, let's go ahead and pull on that weapon.
Get him out and put him on the ground. Let's just leave him there. Just leave him there. HFD's coming right behind us. So just grab the gun, secure it in the car.
K36, the suspect's going to be down
we
on
need some
that,
gloves. We need some gloves so we can get him out of the car.
Off of West Side on North Freeway at China Border.
Grab some.
Hey, just somebody covered long.
Y'all shoot?
I shot, yeah.
All right, if you shot, stand back here, bro. I don't want you to bump it. Okay.
I'm not going to debate about it with you, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to put you in handcuffs, we're going to put you in the back seat, we're going to move your car over there with the other two cars that are involved in the crash, okay? Hey, whoa. You good? You good, bro? You good? Mambo Seafood, China Border. I got it. You can go to the doors. Country 21. This is the suspect in the crash. We're at China Border. Shots fired. One suspect down. All officers okay. See your hands, man. Hey, brother, I'm gonna go around, right? No. Do me a favor. Go ahead and grab some gloves. I got you. Grab some gloves in the safe also. I got you.
Yeah, here he is.
You see him? You see the gun? The gun's still in the
All right. 713 Wood. Supposed to be on that freeway.
Hey, listen, we got lethal.
Yeah. The gun's going to be still in his waistband.
It's still in his waistband?
Still in his waistband.
All right.
Let's get additional units. Yellow tapes on the scene.
That's it. I'm gonna get the weapon out of the way first. All right, weapon on the roof.
No, just go secure. It's okay.
All right, let's go ahead, man. Come on out, bro.
Get him out. Put him on the ground.
He's dead weight, bro. He's not conscious.
Just leave him there. Just leave him there. Cool.
Sure.
HFD's coming right behind us. Alright. So, just grab the gun, secure it in the car.
I got you. All good.
We need some gloves.
Hey, we got gloves over here. If we could grab some. He's.
Y'all shoot? All right, you shot. Get back here, bro. I don't want you to go around. Stay back here.
Hey, weapons over there. I shot two.
Okay.
We get him out of the car. Bring your aid, guys.
Okay. That's clear, man.
Okay, that's fine. 42. Close your vehicle. I'm asking my units where they're going to transport you.
Keep going.